Oh, what do we have here? We got 2 cases of moments before fighting airport police by Midwest Safety.
There's some type of issue with the counter?
There's an issue because they don't want to do their job. I'm trying to check
Listen, quiet.
No.
Right.
You asked me what the issue is.
Right.
Don't come and try to quiet me. I do not care. You're going to respect me because I did not come up here and disrespect you.
Oh?
So don't come up here
I'm
and
trying to tell you what they told me.
No. Okay, I know what they told you.
Okay, what did they tell me?
They told you, oh, I jumped behind the counter. That's all they told you.
No, that's not all they told me.
Okay, what they told you?
They said that they were trying to help you.
They did not try to help me. I'm telling you, they did not try to help me.
Well, you need to keep your voice down.
Damn, bro.
Public area.
I would have been like, chill. I was just trying to see what's going on. You come in here stomping your high heels. Like, come on, bro, relax.
I don't need to do anything I don't want to do.
Well, if you stop their operations,
I'm not stopping no operation. I did not stop no operation.
All right.
I did not stop no operation.
Makes them stop helping other customers.
There was no other customers.
Right.
I was the only
Am I yelling
one.
at you?
I don't care.
I can start yelling too, but that's not
yell.
what we need to do.
Yell if you want to. You will be escalating this.
No,
because
you're
I'm trying to get on
escalating.
my flight.
I'm trying to assist you here, and you're trying to escalate
Can you get me on my flight?
No, do I look like I work with American Airlines?
Then you cannot assist me.
Okay.
Okay?
Well, then you can leave the airport
I'm
too.
not leaving nowhere because I got a flight to catch.
Right? They say they're not helping you.
Do not put your hands on me. Do not put your hands on me.
Don't you put your hands on me.
Why would you put your hands on a cop?
I'm going to touch you.
Put your hand down. Put your hand back now.
My arm.
Breaking my arm. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Breaking my arm, girl.
And they're hurting me and I cannot breathe.
Long booty crack. You need to cover that up.
Help.
Put your knees up. Put your knees up.
I cannot. Help. They're breaking my arm. Get up. Help.
Breaking my arm, girl.
No, I cannot.
Put your leg up.
They're breaking my arm.
Got me crying all inside. I can't hit that no, y'all.
That's too tight.
Listen.
That's
Walk.
too tight. I'm walking. That's too tight. We'll lose some when we get to the car.
All you have to do is listen, and you would have been on your flight.
No, you didn't want to. You would not listen to me. Stop! I'm walking. Why are you twisting my arm? Why are you twisting my arm, man? I'm cooperating. Stop twisting my arm.
Keep walking.
I'm walking. Why are you doing?
The motherfucking heels clacking, ain't they?
Why are you twisting my arm? I'm walking. I'm cooperating.
Right there.
I need my cash. I'm not going to lose my cash. How? Why are you just twisting my arm? What the
Your cuffs.
You want your foot in here?
You want your cuffs loosened? Then relax.
Then stay.
Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. Them heels clacking was funny, boy. Them,
Hey, bingo. I cannot. Give me the money. Just one money. That goes with us. We get it back. You already.
It's going to jail with you.
This hurts. Somebody help. Why am I going to jail? Tell me
Obviously.
why I'm not being arrested.
Disorderly conduct.
Why? I did not do anything. I didn't even touch him.
Tell the judge.
I did not even touch him. I cannot get in because this thing is too tight.
Get in.
The right one is too tight. Get in. The right one is too.
oh,
Get it.
oh, shit.
Anthony was charged with battery, disorderly conduct, trespass, and resisting without violence.
Well, in other words, you ain't make that flight.
He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Just in the nick of time.
She's where? Please, just put him on. What's going on? I don't. She's upset. She's upset.
She's drunk. She hates the airport. I gotta go to work at 6 a.m. We're obviously taking the late flight.
Is she with you? Are you
Yeah,
with
we're together.
Oh, okay. Well, let's.
But
That's gotta be embarrassing.
I'm pissed because this sucks. Because like honestly, she's really just drunk, and if you just give her some water and let her go to sleep, she'll be fine.
Yeah, but we.
But like everybody's like, oh, we can't. What's the reason why we can't get on the plane? Like honestly,
For her safety. So when you get, just listen. When you get to 10,000 feet up in here,
we drink all
you
the
get.
time before
Listen,
we get
you're getting sick, so sick
Y'all need to stop. Shit.
that you.
Somebody can't control their liquor.
do this
It's
all the
not her
time.
call. It's the captain call. Yeah, he's the one that said that she
That's
can't
so
fly.
bull.
Yeah.
She's right. She's sitting down right out here.
Oh, she's sitting down. Okay, I'm gonna need you to.
Crying.
It's literally because she's drunk and she's
that's her.
They are not not gonna let her fly.
And you're saying it's for her safety. And there's no other probably leaving.
For this, like I literally paid for this.
Now there's a cop
What
here.
discount?
And we got
yeah, you
multiple
wanna arrest me?
cops
You
here.
wanna arrest me? Yeah.
What the hell? Why would you do that?
Fight you and
Already gave you the time and the place, and I'll be shy.
asshole.
You back off.
Oh yeah, she going to jail. Your ass going to jail.
Black
Come be the man I need.
asshole.
For the police.
Piss, please.
All you had to do was go home.
Yeah.
All you had to
I
do.
tried to go home, but you guys didn't let me. Yeah, good. You don't even have a so grow up. Like, you don't even have something to kick. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. No, I want you to go
Can I
home.
have your, let me have
You
your
go
ID,
home.
sir. Let me
Why
have
do you
your
need
ID.
my ID?
Because
No.
this.
No.
Oh.
You.
Okay.
Oh yeah, she need to be hog tied immediately.
Talk to him.
This is an
He
assault
has
report.
nothing to do with me. You. Leave him alone.
You're gonna
Leave
be-
him alone.
You're gonna be banned from all airlines.
I don't care.
Okay.
Blacklist me. I don't care. Leave him alone. You are.
That was my favorite show, by the way. I hated that they ended the season. I wish they could have gone like another 5.
Because he is a
You
black.
don't know your
and
limitations.
I don't care. Yeah. Yeah.
what is
Step
it? I
on my
need your
neck. Kill me,
Why do you
just
need
like
my
every
ID?
other cop
Ask
does.
me for your ID.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Step on
You're
my
with
neck.
her.
You
I'm
asshole.
with her.
You're a witness
But
to what happened,
why?
right?
I'm not a witness.
You
You're
were
a
there.
witness.
No.
So all these people out here
All
for their
cops.
ID.
For
As a
working
black
your job,
man,
you are
I'm not giving
trash.
you
Because that's what
You
cops
don't
do,
need my ID.
right?
I know my law, and you don't
I
have to
knew-
ask me for my
I
ID,
knew-
and I
No,
don't have
no,
to give it to
he
you.
did nothing.
Correct.
You have no reason to
Why do I
talk to
got to bring
him.
myself?
Can you please?
Look at you holding my white
you
girlfriend
please?
down who's a tiny
Literally,
lady.
who's not doing
And do
anything.
you want to know why
So
she
just-
got aggressive?
just have a
Because
seat.
you
Can you
approached
send
her.
one more person up here?
You
See, one more person up here. Literally, and I
Oh,
fight
you're
you.
gonna-
we got multiple cops here.
Yeah, pretty much.
Jeez.
All right, this is what's going to happen.
You're gonna
I'm
arrest
gonna
me.
get a wheelchair.
I don't care. I don't
There's a wheelchair right there. Hang on a second. Okay, Joe, wanna put her here and then we can wheel her
She's
to.
gonna, so all she's going to do is going to kick you. I want to get you up. I want to get you out of here.
Okay.
Okay?
No.
No, that's what's going to happen.
Okay,
Are you
cool.
gonna be cool?
No. Yeah, just like they did to.
Catherine, I need you to. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to help you up.
And that's what she's doing right now. She's yelling at my boyfriend because he's black.
I'm right here.
And my hands are on super
That's not the case.
because all you guys know is aggression.
Okay? I'm going to get you up. Okay?
Tell me my Miranda rights before you
Okay,
kick me out.
I'm gonna read you your rights. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Hello.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have a lawyer present with you while you are.
Reading it off of you.
If you cannot afford
You don't know it.
to hire a lawyer, one will be provided for you free of cost. Do you
don't
understand
even
your rights?
know the Miranda laws.
That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to roll you on your side. You're going to take your knees
I'll be like, yeah, your ass going to jail.
to your chest.
I can get on.
Come on. Roll to your side. Kick your knees up.
Want to sit down? No, I don't want to sit down.
Okay. Let me go this way.
What an idiot.
Oh, here's this guy.
So she only got mad because we asked her for some water. Wait, hold on.
See if you can get her ID.
I'm taking her to jail, county jail as okay.
Babe, you want me to call Jackie?
Yeah.
Such a nice boyfriend.
Come back in here.
Well, how would
You can't go back in
Well,
here.
I don't have a rental car. How do I get to the jail?
I'll give you all that information, but get away from the jetway.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.